Hi, this is Dingbo Power. What tests should be carried out before the engine leaves the factory? Mr. Yan will tell us the answer.
Welcome to our factory. What you can see here is a constant temperature and dust-free workshop, which is very bright and beautiful. The test run time for each diesel engine on average should reach more than 40 minutes. During the testing process, we will conduct a full process test on various indicators of each engine, such as power, torque, fuel consumption, smoke density and so on. And we will also track the whole process. The test results as well as the indicators in the process will be uploaded to the cloud system of our manufacturing department in real time to ensure that each engine can leave the factory as a qualified product and prevent any unqualified or substandard products from flowing into the market.
When you are wavering in many choices, please firmly choose Dingbo. Dingbo strictly control the quality for you with professional attitude, rigorous attitude, and high sense of responsibility. Dingbo control quality from the source, worthy of your trust.